Night driving can be challenging even for experienced drivers. Hi, I'm Chris, and tonight we'll delve into the world of driving after dark. We'll shed light on essential tips and techniques to ensure your safety. Let's start with something basic but crucial: using your headlights properly. Use your low beams in most conditions, but switch to high beams on open roads with no street lights. Just remember to dim them when another vehicle is approaching to avoid blinding the other driver. Remember to keep your headlights clean for the best visibility. Glare is a big problem at night. If you're blinded by oncoming lights, try not to stare directly into them. Instead, focus on the right edge of your road lane as a guide. Also, keep your windshield clean inside and out to reduce glare and improve visibility. Night requires enhanced observation. Watch for the reflective eyes of animals and slow down if you see oncoming headlights on a curve ahead. It's the unexpected that often catches us off guard, so always be extra vigilant at intersections and pedestrian crossings. Decrease your speed and increase your following distance. It's harder to judge distance and speed at night, so give yourself more time to react. Remember, the road at night is a different world and it calls for more caution. Fatigue is more common at night. Recognize the signs like frequent yawning or heavy eyelids. If you feel drowsy, take a break in a safe area or, if possible, share the driving. Remember, good night vision isn't just about seeing well in the dark, it's about being prepared and knowing how to react. Practice these tips and consider taking a night driving course with us to boost your skills and confidence. Remember, mastering night driving is about preparedness and reaction. Practice these tips and consider a night driving course with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more helpful driving tips. Stay safe and see you on the road.